Elizar's kitchen, and tonight for dinner, guess what we're making? We're making a South American inspired chicken burrito bowl. Yes, it's busting with flavor and it's colorful and also it's nutritious. So grab your pans, grab your ingredients, and let's make this a fun time cooking. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow the page, and also share with your friends and family. And every week we'll be posting new videos so you can be notified once you hit that notification bell. Thank you and God bless. Amazing chicken burrito bowl. We have, as you can see, the ingredients here. First, we have the chicken breast. We have rice, and you can use any rice of your choice. Corn, avocado, black beans, lime, tomatoes, lemon, red onions, and we have chilies and chipotle adobo sauce. Here's olive oil, garlic, and we have cilantro, and of course we have chili powder. So these are the ingredients. Our chicken burrito bowl consists of 3 parts. You have to have the chicken, the ingredients for the chicken, and then the cilantro rice, and finally we assemble everything together with the toppings in the bowl. So come with me, let's make this amazing chicken burrito bowl. Make our chicken, we stir in our oil. This is our oil. We stir in our oil. Then we stir in the lime juice. 3, 2, 1. And of course our lime juice. Our chili, so the adobo sauce, and there's a sauce that comes with it. Make sure you pour the whole thing in there. Our garlic, and I like to use fresh garlic, but you can use your, see, you can use garlic powder. That's fine, that's your choice. And then we're gonna mix it all together and toss the chicken cover and let it sit for at least 2 hours or overnight. Another ingredient that I like to add is the chicken bouillon. And you let this season overnight so that all the sauces, you know, goes in and you have that flavor. Can you imagine? So we're gonna cover this up and we're gonna refrigerate it for about 2 hours, and we'll come back and continue with our dish. Oh, please, I forget, that's my chicken bouillon. I like to add that too. Give it that extra oomph. Make sure you toss this around very well so that you have your seasoning going everywhere. Now it's time to cover it and allow it to marinate for about 2 hours, or you can do it overnight. But if you know, we working mothers prefer to, you know, do it quicker so you can refrigerate it for 2 hours. Hey guys, so I got my chicken from the refrigerator. It's been marinated for 20 minutes and I'm ready to cook it. So you heat your large pan over a medium heat. We gotta turn this to a medium heat, and then you remove your chicken from the marinade and add it to the pan. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Add it to the pan and you cook, stirring until it cooks for about 5 minutes. Then you set it aside. And let's allow it to cook. Guys, after 10 minutes, this is what our chicken looks like. It's been cooking on each side for 5 minutes, and I'm ready to turn this off. It's thoroughly cooked, and we're gonna cut it up and make our burrito bowl. Hello guys, to make our rice, we need to add the rice to the rice cooker, and I already washed my rice, and my hands are clean. So, you know, with rice, when you take 2 cups of rice or 1 cup of rice, you take 1.5 cups of water. I have been cooking rice for a while, so I eyeball it. I do not measure it. But you can measure it if you want, but I don't. Just gonna add the water, and you add a pinch of salt. And also, to make your rice very fluffy, you add some butter. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna cover it and allow it to simmer and cook. Oh, before I forget, I usually add a zest of the lime. Just grate a little bit of zest and add it while you're cooking your rice. And this teeny weeny grater does the job, believe it or not. Even though it looks so small, it will get the job done. And you don't need a whole lot, just a little bit to give it that flavor, that lemony flavor. And you allow it to cook. Once the rice is cooked, we will add other things to it. But for now, that's all we need. Stay tuned. So our rice is cooked perfectly. Now we're gonna fluff it out with a fork, and then we'll toss in the rest of the lime and zest. I grated some more lime and zest, and I'm gonna toss it in. And also we're gonna add some cilantro to the mix. And then we're gonna fluff it all together and toss the rice together. Make sure it mixes perfectly, and you use the fork because you don't want your rice to end up being mushy, you know. So you fluff it out and make sure it's mixed together before you serve. Hi guys, so here are my diced, vegetables. Here's avocado. Here's our diced tomatoes and onions. Here's the corn, black beans, cilantro. Here's our rice. We've dished it into a bowl. We have our iceberg lettuce. And here's the chicken. I'm gonna dice it and make my burrito bowl. Guys, thank you for joining me in preparing this flavorful, colorful, and healthy meal. Our chicken burrito bowl is ready. Here we go. Yummy in my tummy. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my page, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be updated each time we upload a new video. We'll be uploading videos every week, so stay tuned. I love you all and God bless. Until then again, bye.